I'm going to have a look at couching, a couching stitch. It is often used in gold work, but you can use any decorative thread or a thick wool thread that you want to use but you can't get through your needle. You would use couching, which is, this thread is just going to sit on the surface and we're going to do very tiny small stitches along that will hold it in place. So this stays on top of the fabric. I'm using black, very thin one strand black. However, you would use something that matched or complemented the decorative thread. So it either can't really be seen at all or it looks pretty the way that you've done it. So we're just going to go, we're going to come up on one side of the thread holding it in place with the other hand and come down as close as you can on the other side. Simple, just over stitching. You don't need that many stitches, you don't have to go all the way along your piece of fancy thread. So I've done these to this far apart, but you could have actually just done perhaps 4 or 5 quite large, almost tacking stitches. But you do want it to be secure. So we're just going to come up on one side, go down closely on the other. Come up a little bit further away. Come down closer on the other. And this is actually quite a quick way of adding decorative threads to your work. We're going to go round, I think. Keep it neat. You can position your decorative thread however you like. So I've just said we're going to go round. You could have a straight bit. You could go round in circles or waves. However you want to position your decorative thread. The couch stitches will keep it in place. You can see now it's very secure. And when you come to the end, just make sure you secure it on the back how you normally would end your stitches. Now we have a simple couch stitch. Really nice way, really easy way to add some decorative threads to your embroidery.